A study in 2016 showed that 96 out of every 100 people survive an opioid overdose when they're given naloxone. Naloxone is effective. The more kits given out, the more lives are saved. So what can you do as a healthcare practitioner to make it easier to get naloxone into the hands of those who need it? The biggest challenge is stigma. Many healthcare providers are afraid to offer naloxone kits, and patients are afraid to ask for one. The solution? Offer naloxone to every patient with an opioid prescription, and make it routine. That's it. Try a simple opener. Have you heard about naloxone? I offer it to every patient I have with an opioid prescription. In person? Have you heard about naloxone? On the phone? Have you heard about naloxone? Over video chat? Have you heard about naloxone? Say the same thing each time to make it a habit. This will be your most effective tool to get naloxone into the hands of those who need it. Here are some extra practical tips. Make the kits easily visible. Hang a poster for patients. We've got one you can download and print in the description. Hang a poster for staff, also in the description. And set up your telephone or online refill system to include a naloxone refill request option. Some people may not take a naloxone kit, and that's okay. Offer them a pamphlet to take home and know that you did your best to save some lives today. You're awesome. Save lives. Give out naloxone.